guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I'm gonna be doing a cook with sweet today. Decided to do a cook with me video today because I'm making a lasagna and I thought, you know what, why not film? Why not, you know? I absolutely love filming, so here's the video. So let's get started. You guys may also see my pregnancy belt right here. I have to wear it while I cook, otherwise my back will start hurting, my lower back will start hurting, and it won't be pretty. So over here I have my cooked ground beef. I just cooked up my ground beef. I didn't add anything to it just yet. I bought the ground beef like 2 weeks ago or a week ago. I just put it in the freezer and then I was like, okay, I'll defrost it and then make a lasagna. Okay, so to that I'm gonna add some garlic. So I'm gonna let the garlic cook in with the ground beef. So I hope everyone's doing well, and I hope everyone had a great Canada Day. What do Americans say when it's 4th of July? Happy, no, they don't say happy, that's us Canadians that say Happy Canada Day. They say Happy 4th of July. Yes, I think they say Happy 4th of July, so Happy 4th of July. So I hope everyone is having a great day. My day is going great. I had a nice nap. What else did I do? I went grocery shopping a little bit, picked up a few things. I picked up some soil for my mini garden I'm creating. Yeah, had a great day. My nap really gave me the boost I needed. Alright, so now I'm going to be adding some pepper and some salt. Speaking of my salt, where is it? Oh, it's right here. So I'm going to salt my ground beef. I am going to be using a jar sauce, so I'm not going to add too much salt. Just enough to, like, you know, really taste the salty ground beef. Now I'm gonna add some black pepper. Wow, you can really see my tan line. What? This whole part of my arm is tanned. And then this is like my real skin color. I'm pretty tan this summer. I do tan pretty quick, and when I get tanned, I do get darker, a lot darker. There's nothing wrong with being dark. So I already chopped it up, my veggies that I'm gonna be using. I dinner prepped this morning so I don't have to go through a lot of tasks while I'm cooking the lasagna, so I thought ahead. I'm a smart person. So over here I have mushrooms, red bell peppers, and green bell peppers. Over here I have a bunch of baby spinach. So I'm just gonna throw everything in. This lasagna is going to be somewhat healthy. With all those veggies, yeah, it's going to be healthy. I'm going to let the spinach kind of, you know, shrink. So, I know 2 of my long-term subscribers have asked me, am I playing Overwatch 2? The beta, where you have to sign up. I already answered that question for them, but I thought, you know what, let's answer it here as well. So I am not playing Overwatch 2. I'm not signing up for the beta because I'm just gonna play Overwatch 2 when it's officially out for the public. I'm being patient about it, so when it's out in October, that's when I'll purchase it. It'll be like a first day purchase for me. I'm in no rush at all. I'm just patient about it, so I won't be signing up for Overwatch 2 beta. I'm just gonna wait patiently until it comes out in October, and then that's when I'll really get into it and like really enjoy it. I just want the game to be nice and polished, ready for the public, you know. So yeah, that is what I'm gonna be doing. But I heard Overwatch 2 is pretty much the exact same thing as Overwatch 1. Like, I've been reading a lot of comments that people are kind of disappointed. I don't know. That's pretty sad to think that. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and add some onion powder and some crushed chilies. Any seasonings you guys really want. I'm just gonna use what I have on hand. I'm also going to be using this dried tomato and herb seasoning. No more big chunks of daddy spinach in there. So now I'm just going to be using the sauce of choice and pouring it in my mixture here. I'm going to be using this one right here. Or get every little drop in. We love lasagna saucy. I'm going to bring that to a boil, and then I'm going to reduce it, and then I'm going to start cooking my lasagna noodle. I'll show you which one I'm going to be using. Right here. I'm just going to read the instructions at the back. As soon as this comes to a boil, and we'll start cooking up these. Speaking of cooking, I got to preheat my oven. Alright, so I have my pasta sauce over here shimmering on the other stove, and then over here this stove is hotter, so I'm gonna boil my lasagna noodles in there. Oh my gosh, imagine if like everything spilled. Hopefully it's not blurry. I really hope Overwatch 2 is great. I really hope I won't miss Overwatch 1 because I heard, I don't know if it's a rumor, but I'm pretty sure it's not a rumor, but I heard that Overwatch 1 is just gonna stop existing. And that makes me really, really sad. Because Overwatch has been like there for me whenever I needed a game to play. It's been my game, you know, like it's been my everything, really. Overwatch 1 was just there for me, you know. I played it so much. I enjoyed it. I definitely got my money's worth for sure. But it makes me a little sad that, you know, it won't exist anymore once Overwatch 2 is out. So I'm just really hoping that Overwatch 2 is just great, where I won't miss Overwatch 1. I'll be sad if it's not as great as Overwatch 1. Because Overwatch 1 was there for me during my tough times. I used to turn to Overwatch 1 when I just wanted to lose myself in a game and just enjoy the experience. Just hoping Overwatch 2 is just as great and I won't be sad missing Overwatch 1. I'm definitely going to do a special video dedicated to Overwatch 1 once Overwatch 2 comes out, just to kind of get my closure with Overwatch 1, with it not existing anymore. It's gonna be a hard moment. Definitely gonna miss it. I'm definitely gonna miss Overwatch 1 for sure. Alright, so I already salted my boiling water here. I forgot to press record. So now I'm gonna add in my lasagna noodles. This is the tray I'm gonna be using. So I'm pretty sure I can do a 3-layer. I'm just gonna measure. Okay. It will fit. I'm pretty sure I have enough for 3 layers. So that's 1 base. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 2 layers. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 layers, perfect. And there's 3 lasagna noodles left. I'll save the rest for like when I'm making rolled up lasagnas for another day. Alright, so I'm gonna let these cook until they're fully al dente, because everything is gonna be finished cooking in the oven. All right. So I never added cottage cheese to my lasagna before. So I seen this video online where she added cottage cheese to every layer in her lasagna, and I'm like, what? You can add cottage cheese? I usually add ricotta, but my family hasn't been really enjoying ricotta lately, so I'm not gonna add it in. I was thinking adding in the cottage cheese instead, but I don't even know what it tastes like. I don't know if it will be a disaster. I don't even know what it is. Like, is it a yogurt? What is it? I don't smell anything. Is this supposed to look like a yogurt? Interesting texture. Interesting texture, for sure. I'm gonna try some though. I don't know about that. I might just add a thin layer. The girl that I watched that was using the ricotta cheese in the lasagna, she added an egg. I'm definitely not adding an egg. She did add some black pepper, so I might just do that. I hope it's not a disaster. It doesn't have a weird smell to it, and it doesn't have a weird taste, so looks like rice pudding. Yeah, it definitely doesn't have a weird smell where I'm just like absolutely not putting it in our lasagna, but I'll give it a try. And it's really hot in here with 2 stoves on, the oven preheated. It's really hot and I need some cold water. You guys like my Mercy shirt? So hot. Alright, so I'm just gonna tidy up a little bit of stuff behind me. First thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab some sauce. Put it at the bottom of the pan. Okay, then I'm gonna add some pasta noodles. Alright, now hopefully this isn't a disaster when I add in the cottage cheese. Alright, so I'm gonna add in the cottage cheese. I really hope this is not a disaster. I'm really hoping it's not. It honestly tastes like nothing. It does taste a little bit like sour cream though. Okay, that's good. I'm gonna add some black pepper now. Okay. Now I'm gonna add in some sauce. I'm gonna add the cheese. I'm gonna add a lot of cheese on top. I'm not gonna add too much in every layer. Just enough to taste it. Second layer. You know what? I'm just gonna add the cottage cheese to this layer too. Why not? Go big or go home. That should be good. Mozzarella cheese. Alright, for the final layer, I'm gonna go extra generous on the sauce, extra generous on the cheese. more of this cottage cheese. Black pepper. I'm just gonna add the whole sauce in. The final layer of the cheeses. Now the cheddar cheese now for extra sharpness. Thinking if I need to add more cheese. Should be enough. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's enough. Alright, so I'm gonna top off the lasagna with some oregano. Some more black pepper. And now this is ready to go in the oven. The lasagna is all ready to be cut up. I let it cool down for a bit. Here it is. It's a beauty. Should be a thumbnail? I should probably make a thumbnail now. I'll be back. I gotta put it on photo mode. Alright, so it basically just came out. I just let it cool down a little bit before I cut it. Corner slice or a middle slice? We'll give Brad the corner slice. I'll have a corner slice too. Why not? Do you want Parmesan cheese on yours?
Sure.
Alright, I'll be back. I'm gonna go give Brad his plate. Alright, the finished product. Now I'm gonna try it. Now this is my first time trying cottage cheese. So let's give it a try. See if I will use it again next time I make lasagna. crispy edges. I didn't taste the cottage cheese. Let's try another bite. I can't really taste it. I put the cottage cheese on every layer, so I should be able to taste it, but I don't. I like it, it's good. Alright, well, I'm gonna end the video here. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, turn on my notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos, and I'll see you next time.